Run.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. I have not done a vlog in a long time. Sorry if it's kind of dark. It's a little bit later. Well, not really later in the day. What time is it right now? Hold on, let's zoom in here. It's only 4:30 and it's already starting to get dark. So this is the time of year where 5 o'clock, it'll be pitch black already. So I have a passenger today, not gonna reveal his face, so just in case he doesn't want to. I have a passenger today, so he's gonna be my cameraman for today. And as you guys saw, I need some new kit. Well, you guys can't see now because it's pitch black, but I need some new shoes because they're destroyed. So yeah, we're gonna go to the store now and pick up a new pair. So let's get on the road. Almost 5 o'clock already and it's dark out, so you guys can see what I mean by it gets dark super quick here. It sucks this time of year. Like I said again, like even when I have to make videos, it's got to be like super, you know, early, because if not, I'm not gonna catch any daylight. Calls. We'll be back soon. Face your arms. Here we go. I'm not gonna scream it again, these people here. Alright, ready? So, old, hole in it, ripped, new ones. Look at the difference. We're taking these bad boys home. We're not sponsored. When you hear a scary noise in the middle of the night, gotta love those LED spotlights. All right, we're having way too much fun. We need to end day 1 of this vlog. Welcome back to day 2 of the vlog. You guys may have seen already over my Instagram or here on YouTube as well that I recently just got my push bar. I wonder who that is. What the? Oh, shoot. Hey, wait! Wait! Who are you? Sadly, as you guys can tell, no push bar. I had trouble putting it on. Not to mention, as you guys can see, not a good day. Yesterday, it was raining. I had a tent set up. It was raining. It was cold. It was windy. I didn't have the right tools. As you guys can see, the garage is filled with tools. So I can't put the car inside, and this is not my garage, so I don't know where anything is. So I was using all the wrong tools and stuff, and it really sucks. I took the brackets off and just decided that this weekend coming up, I'm going to actually have someone help me this time. It's not that it was hard, but when you're working, like I said again, in rain and cold, and your hands are getting all cut up and bloody, and you're working with the wrong tools, it just gets you very aggravating. When you only have, you know, 4 or 5 hours of sunlight, you know, by the time I started anyway, it gets you really aggravated. So I just took it off and decided to just put the bumper back on. And I tried, I really did try. The right bracket, the bracket that goes right here actually fit very well. It screwed on perfectly fine, but for some reason, the bracket that was on this side took me hours, because every time I would keep tightening it, it would be centered and then it would just slide. I'm not sure why. I'm not sure if it was because it was rainy everywhere and, you know, there's rain on the metal and stuff. Like I said, again, I don't have a garage to do this in. But I think that was most likely the reason. Also, you need a bolt that screws into the metal to hold it in place. I didn't have the tool to do that, so I thought I could just clamp the two top and the two bottom like I did with this one, and it worked fine. But for some reason, this one kept sliding. And then again, you don't have the right tool, so it just sucks. Okay, but anyway, we are going to be painting this strip, well, putting the tape over this strip, the black tape. So we're trading it out for this all-wheel drive in black with the black strip. I think it's going to look pretty cool because, as you guys know, I do not like chrome, and I think this will look a lot better in black with the black Interceptor badge. I think it would look pretty cool, so we're going to do that right now.
2 hours later.
Alright guys, so here it is all done. The new matte black all-wheel drive badge looks so good with that black stripe. I think the black stripe looks so much better than the chrome. Obviously you guys can see here, if we come up close, you can see a little bit of bubbles here and there, and obviously it's not cut to perfection around. I didn't even go around here because it's tape. Same thing with here, kind of chewed off a little bit there. And over here around, you guys can see, not the best, but again, it's tape. This was just a test to see how I like it and how it comes out, and I like it a lot better like this. So obviously once the weather gets a lot warmer and I can paint it, I think we're gonna go ahead and paint it matte black. I just think this whole rear setup looks so much better with that black strip and that black all-wheel drive emblem. So let me know what you guys think down below. So yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog off here. Hopefully you guys did enjoy vlogs coming back again. Vlogs definitely take a lot more time to edit because, you know, there's a lot of music and stuff going over it, a lot of, you know, cutting and trimming, but I definitely do love making vlogs. As for the push bar, don't know when it's gonna be put on. With the holidays coming up and people are busy, so I'm not really sure when it's gonna come on, so I'm not gonna really dawn on that too much. It will go on eventually. I have it just chilling in my trunk, but yeah. Anyway, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Thank you guys so much for your support throughout all my videos and all that. You guys have been killing the subscriber game, and I really do appreciate it. So I hope you guys did enjoy this one more time, and I'll see all of you guys in the next one.